Hi, I'm Natasha, and I'm here with our CEO, Ashish, and we've got some really exciting news today.
We are incredibly excited to share some amazing innovations with you. 2026, we are celebrating our 20-year anniversary. And for the past 20 years, we have been making personalization easier, more joyful, and more affordable. And with these new products and innovations, we're going to continue to build on that mission. I'm incredibly proud of our team and what they have done to bring these innovations to you all.
It's really exciting to see this vision come together. We've got products, we've got software and bundles. Where should we start?
Let's start with Design Space. This is our platform where the design journey begins. Our teams have been working really hard for the past couple of years to reimagine the entire design experience. It starts with understanding your project intent. When you come to Design Space, you have an idea in mind of what you want to make, who you want to make it for, and for what occasion. It could be a card for your mom's birthday. It could be a t-shirt, or it could be just a plain colorful sticker for your water bottle. We've created a set of guided flows for various project types, including stickers, cards, t-shirts, and more. Have you tried one of these?
I have. I love them.
Isn't they amazing? So let's say that you wanted to design a t-shirt. The t-shirt guided flow walks you through step by step and helps you through the entire design process, from helping you find the right image, the right tools to edit your design, and we'll help you visualize your t-shirt project and ultimately give you the right set of tools and instructions to help you assemble the finished project. Everything is optimized for the specific machine you have, so there is no guesswork. It's really not overwhelming. I've done it so many times. These guided flows are incredible. They're simply magical. Natasha, we could spend all day talking about Design Space.
I know.
But I think everybody wants to hear about these incredibly beautiful, good-looking machines here.
Yes, let's take a look at the next generation of Cricut cutting machines. Say hello to Cricut Joy 2 and Cricut Explore 5.
I'm loving these colors, Natasha. Tell me more.
They've been totally redesigned to be more compact than the previous generations, and they have a new, modern, streamlined look. They really would fit into any space in your home. We've got new colors too. We have Cricut Joy 2 in jade green, blue, and coral, and Cricut Explore 5 in taupe and teal.
These are really beautiful. Natasha, what's your favorite color?
I love the Coral Joy 2 and the Taupe Explore 5.
And I obviously like the blue and the teal. But I really could see these fitting into all our users' homes. Natasha, I love this. Can you tell us a little bit more about Cricut Joy 2?
Of course. Cricut Joy 2 is designed for those with limited space. It's the ideal machine for crafting anywhere. It's perfect for quick, everyday projects like custom cards, symbol decals, and labels. Plus, Cricut Joy 2 writes, draws, scores, and adds foil accents. We've also designed a new scoring tool that makes it incredibly easy to make amazing folded cards and 3D projects with your machine. Now, do you notice anything else that looks a little different here on the tool carriage?
I think we've got some new tools.
That's right. We really wanted to hone in on simplifying your making, so we made our tools simpler and easier to replace. No more needing to touch a sharp blade. Simply replace the entire cutting tool by pulling out the whole thing, like this. And then just swap it out with a new one.
Wow, this Cricut Joy 2 looks really cute. There's one feature I'm specifically excited about. Can you guess what it is?
Well, personally, I think the most exciting part is that this machine, unlike the original Cricut Joy, works with printable materials.
Tell us what that means.
It means that the machine works with your home inkjet printer to help you create full color stickers and so much more. The built-in sensor recognizes and precision cuts around inkjet printed images. We know that making stickers is such a popular project, so adding this functionality to Cricut Joy 2 means you don't have to compromise on size to experience full color project possibilities.
I love Joy, but one of the things I really missed about it was its ability to make stickers.
Yes.
So I'm really excited about Cricut Joy 2 being able to make colorful, nice, awesome stickers.
Exactly.
Everything just feels easier.
That's right. It's not just the cutting, it's every part that truly is easier.
So I love Joy 2, but now talk to us about Explore 5.
Cricut Explore 5 is the next generation in our popular Cricut Explore series. It's 30% more compact than previous models, but it has the same super precise cutting and top-tier speeds. It's lighter too. It's perfect for making a variety of projects like custom decals, personalized apparel, full color stickers, cards, and so much more. You can even make in multiples. Plus, this machine precision cuts over 100 materials and can write, draw, foil, and score.
That's incredible.
Looking at the redesign, we've got a simplified interface on the right-hand side over here. Then we've got a new snap-in pen holder right here. If the inside appears a little different from previous models, It's because it is. By introducing new pens, we've changed a few things.
Natasha, you know, I love using the pens. It's one of my favorite features in Cricut Design Space and for our products. Talk to me about the new pens. Why are those so special?
I thought you'd never ask. Our new pens are universal and come with an adapter, so you can be sure your pen will work with any machine.
I love, again, how simple our teams have made it. You know, everything we've talked about so far, from simplifying the design experience to how we've designed the pen and the tools, it's all meant to make the experience overall simpler and easier for our users.
And speaking of simplifying things, I'm so excited about our new bundles.
When someone goes to buy a Cricut, they first of all have to decide which model they want to buy, but also they have to decide on everything else they need to buy to make that out-of-box experience easy and to make their first project. Well, our teams have worked incredibly hard to find the right set of materials and the tools that you would need to make your first project. It is an incredibly magical out-of-box experience. Even I can make a project out of the box.
I love these bundles. We've got smaller bundles like the Essentials bundle, which is great for those that are just getting started and aren't sure what they want to make. Then we also have larger bundles for those who want to try a variety of projects right away. You can make up to 270 projects with the Cricut Explore 5 Ultimate Plus bundle.
Wow. 20 years, we've been on a mission to make it simpler, easier for users to bring personalization in their home. We want to make it more affordable, more joyful, and I am just delighted that I think with Cricut Joy 2 and Cricut Explore 5 and the reimagined design space experience, the bundles, everything is designed to deliver on those two things.
Yeah, we're totally setting people up for success from day one.
Natasha, this has been incredibly exciting. I just loved our time together to talk about these new projects, these new products, these new innovations, and I just can't wait for our users to experience the same.
Crafting will become much more accessible than ever before. We're thrilled for everyone to experience the new Cricut.
So Natasha, when are these beauties going to be available in the market?
They'll be available starting midnight on February 27th Eastern Time on Cricut.com and at Michael's in the US and Canada. They'll also be available in international markets where Cricut is sold.
Natasha, this has been super fun, to spend this time with you talking about our new products and services and experiences. It is going to be a lot of fun to have our users experience the same.
I couldn't agree more. Thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll see you next time.